Namaste, खुश रहो बेटिया. I, JBN Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Our today's topic of the session is AWS from the subject of cloud computing. AWS means Amazon Web Service. It is a platform that offers flexible, reliable, scalable, and easy to use and cost effective cloud computing solution. That means it is the platform where if users needs for cloud computing service, they can get at reliable price and very scalable manner. AWS is a comprehensive, easy to use computing platform. It is offered by Amazon company. The platform is developed with a combination of infrastructure as a service. That means if we have to need infrastructure as a service, then we can request for AWS platform. And also it provides the platform as a service application, and it packaged software as a service offering also. Okay, as you know, the cloud service model is three types, that is infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. In each service model, different requirements as per your project, as per your organization, and it is all about your need. Then company gives you as per your requirement of your project. So if you need the middleware, operating system, and infrastructure, then you request for infrastructure as service, right? And if you want to use only the software of a cloud computing like Dropbox, Gmail, then you request for only SaaS, that is called software as a service. So in this session we will cover what is cloud, what is AWS, and we will see the importance of AWS service and application of AWS service and the advantage of AWS, right? So here is some history, which is AWS service launched in 2002, but it's in 2019 offers nearly 100 cloud services, right? At the initial stage it is not as much popular as nowadays. So how it is important, the service of AWS is Amazon Web Services offer a wide range of different business purpose global cloud based product. The products include storage, databases, analytics, networking, mobile development tools, enterprise applications. But it has some unique characteristics because it provides the service like very efficient cost, because it is the based on a pay as you go pricing model, right? So it is very easy to use for organization. Now we will see how it is important for a company. You can see in this picture, if you need a computer, a storage, database, migration, it's all provided by a cloud. And this company is manage your all requirement. So here is the AWS compute services. The first service of the cloud service, Amazon, is provided by EC2, which is called Elastic Compute Cloud. EC2 is a virtual machine in the cloud on which you have OS level control. You can run this cloud server whenever you want. That means it it provides you operating system level services. If you want to run the cloud server whenever you want, EC2 provides easily. It also provides Lightsail. This cloud computing tool automatically deploys and manages the computer storage and networking capabilities it required to run your applications. The first one is AWS Lambda. This AWS service allows you to run functions in the cloud. The tool is big cost saver for you as you to pay only when your function execute, right? So we will see in the next what is in the next we will see a storage Amazon Glacier. It is an extremely low cost storage services. It offers secure and fast storage for data archiving and backup. And Amazon Elastic Block Store, like EBS, it provides block level storage to use with Amazon EC2 instances. Amazon Elastic Block Store volumes are network attached and remain independent from the life of an instance. It also provides AWS storage gateway. This AWS service is connecting on-premises software application with cloud-based storage. It offers secure integration between the companies and on-premises and AWS storage infrastructure. So in the next lecture we will see how it is important and how which algorithm used for security purpose and its application. Thank you class. This session is provided by digital version 2.0 from Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. If you like my session, please, if any query, please comment below. Thank you.